and I have this 1999 WR400. I thought now would be a perfect time to get some cleaning products for it and go get the parts washer from the moto store and really put a spit shine on this 21-year-old bike.
Cole over there, talking to the mailman, blocking the road up. Hey, get out the way! Man, I'm trying to work here. Man, it's ridiculous.
First, we're going to remove all the plastics and the controls and everything like that. Removing all the parts will give us more room around the motor and everywhere that's not getting pulled off to be able to clean the bike up. Plus, all the parts we pull off, we can let it soak in a bath that I'm going to make over there for all the smaller parts to help break up some of the grime and hopefully clear off some of the stains. After it soaks in the bath, then we can, go hit the parts wash over there, and that'll help clean up the rest of it. Well, let's get to it. So I have a plastic storage tub. I'm going to fill it up with some water and then some of this purple power. Some of the parts that I pull off, I'll be able to just throw in the tub and let them start soaking to kind of break up some of the dirt and grime on them.
So I'm fucking projecting the shitty depressing audience. And are you get it in? Davey. Also we do it. What's that? My therapist is calling. I gotta go. Is that too like stand-up jokes? You just to a wall. I'm never going to Jump Street again. Who was the girl that fell in love with him in the movie? It was so sweet. And this guy don't see you so good. A 45. It's not your gun though. It's yes, not my gun. Do you know how to use it? Yeah, it pointed.
Looks good.
Woo!
Yeah! Woo!
Icing is not.
Twice in a row. And is that positive? I would just. No. When I saw your face, I was like, what the fuck is going on? That's affecting people all around the entire world. It's an international pandemic. Could be doing. I wonder, like, yeah, because Van Gogh did all his work with logo, right? Same. Not, I mean. Yeah. Who knows? This is who Bob wants to be. Yeah. All those years. Yeah, and I go, yeah. And if you ever mock. Yeah, I'm not gonna play it. What was that? Gopher or whatever? Puppy sack? No, it's perfect. I do it in the shower and it's. You call me on the phone. What do you mean? You sound like you're losing your mind over there with. I'll eat the whole thing. You can eat like 4 deep dish slices of.
So I think that's a good enough place to go ahead and pressure wash the bike. I don't want to pull the carburetor off of the boot or anything like that off until afterwards because I don't want to open the motor up to allow more water to get in it. So we'll go ahead and pressure wash outside. Simple green. Spray that bitch down before you wet it down. And also it's disgusting outside. It's trying to rain right now, so let's try to beat the rain. That wasn't too terrible for just the bulk items really, but I'm gonna spray it with some simple green, scrub it by hand, rinse it off, and then we'll go back inside to start pulling more parts off to do by hand. I'm gonna put a fan on the bike over here so I can kind of dry some of that water off. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and take the sprocket and the rotors off for cleaning on that.
I just want to play a chunk of it. Let's see if it's much, but it's kind of.
know, like
Maybe.
the back of this pipe is all little, bro. Something.
Oh yeah.
You
Get
know?
a universal fender. Because you're by yourself.
Well, you're
You're not
moving-
fucking licking each other's fingers while you're riding,
You
shit.
can't, yeah.
Got a nice little pile over here of parts that I've kind of scrubbed on already, though. That exhaust is looking freaking new. Whew! I'm impressed. Those plastics are gonna be fun.
Quit saying our bikes are clapping to meet.
Just gonna be a bitch trying to find these, I bet. Oh my god. I think I'm finally done scrubbing with the Purple Power. I think for the most part I just need to now switch to the parts washer and see if that gets it any more clean than it is. And then we'll have to deal with the carb tomorrow. Because I'm not doing that today.